Alright, you guys, I've been getting a lot of questions on my YouTube channel on what's the best mining software, how do I get it set up and running, how do I add the wallet ID, just a lot of different questions. So this is why I'm making this video, to show you really the easiest piece of software that I found to get up and running right away. Now, would I recommend this for a huge farm deployment when you got multiple miners? Heck no. But if you're just someone that has like one computer and you just want to start mining and get some coins collecting, then this is really honestly the easiest setup. If you're a little bit more experienced with like Linux, I would suggest EthOS. There's tons of ones out there: BFG miner, CG miner, and then the ASIC miners with Ant miner. So there's tons of them out there. But this, what I've just seen, is the easiest to get up and running, and for the typical non miner not your typical person that knows a lot about mining, and if you're just getting into it, this is a great start. So you just go to minergate.com, download the exe. Now when you try to run this, Windows 10 will detect that this is some kind of maybe some malicious software, but it is not. It is clean. I did a virus total check on it. At least the one you download from MinerGate. I'm not sure if you download from a third party or get it from a friend, you might want to check that. But if you download from MinerGate, you can just do a quick virus total check, and it should come back clean. Windows 10 is just giving you that red flag because there's so much malware and other viruses out there that are just loaded with mining software, so the attacker can, in theory, get a bunch of computers to mine for him. So anyway, I downloaded the software, I went ahead and installed it, and this is it right here. That's all it is. So when you first load it up, you're going to create an account, you're going to log in with your email, and then you get a set of coins that you want to mine maybe. Now, you can see you have two columns here. One says CPU mining, one's GPU mining. If you have a GPU miner that is compatible with MinerGate, which is pretty much almost every card, unless it's pretty old, you want to definitely have a newer GPU card if you want to actually mine decently. And you can see I'm using 2 cores of my CPU. I'm using all my threads with my GPU, and you can see that I've made some coin here with XMR that I'm mining. And if I don't want to mine that, I can actually hit pause here, and let's say I want to mine some Ethereum. I can start on that with one CPU, or Zcash. So I can do one CPU on Zcash, and then maybe I can try one here and start it with one CPU. Now this is mainly because it's probably downloading some files it needs before it starts, but let's maybe try a different one here. So anyway, you get the point. You can basically put how many CPU cores you want on each coin you're mining. Now, of course, mining with CPU is almost a waste of time because these coins have advanced so much that the amount of power you're getting on your CPU miner is, pathetic. That's why you definitely want to do GPUs. But I mean, that's all you have is CPUs. I mean, of course, do it, but just warning you, you're not going to make a lot. Now if I pull up Task Manager, you can see I'm only using 1 core here, and my CPU is at 33% almost, but I'm also, obviously running other applications. So just keep that in mind. Don't, just because it says, you have 6 cores, don't put 6. I mean, maybe put 5, or probably just do 4. So save 2 to at least everything else running on your computer, and you shouldn't notice too much of a bog down. But like I said, it's almost not worth it mining with CPU, and I would definitely recommend just doing GPU. Here's a server. Let me go and pull up. So the reason why you see a number 3 here is because that's telling you how many miners are online mining this same coin. So you can see this is considered one miner, and this is considered a second miner because I'm basically using a GPU and a CPU to mine the same coin at the same time. Now the reason why it says 3, because I have a third computer running that's logged in with my email and account, and it's also mining that same coin. So I'm going to go ahead and remote into that computer right now. And you can see I'm in that computer, and here's the MinerGate software pulled up, and you can see it has number 3 there, and you can see this does not have a compatible GPU because this is a very old computer. So it says not available. And then you can see I can select my CPU count on this machine as well. I just want to show you can have not just one computer mining, but you could have, if you have 5 computers laying around, you just want to plug them up, run MinerGate software, and you'll be good to go. So that's as easy as it is to get up and running. I definitely recommend MinerGate to anyone that's just getting started in mining. If you're advanced, obviously you probably want to be watching this video because you're going to be using ETHOS or something else. But like I said, this is good for the person that's just starting out to get their feet wet, I would say. Alright, so like I said, this is the miner area, and you can select what coin you want to mine. Now to get to your wallet, you can see this is the amount that's in this current wallet for that coin. And I can simply put in my email, and I can hit withdraw, and I can withdraw actually to my Coinbase wallet or to maybe another wallet that I might have. So this is a very easy way to withdraw and mine at the same time. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next one.